The idea of a community with a shared future for mankind represents China's efforts for world peace, cooperation, and harmony, a Hungarian expert has said in an interview with Xinhua.
我觉得这个就是代表很有代表性的，就中国为和平、合作、和谐，在国际平台上跟其他国家合作的。毕竟每一个文明都有它自己的历史，文化的发展，有自己的宗教等等等等。所以我认为我们在21世纪不能用西方的一个思想去考虑其他国家的政策。那中国提出来的这些理念也是代表中国，也是希望这个世界上是我们可以很和谐的、和平的，大家一起合作。那我们匈牙利和中国这个方面还是有很多共同点。
In 2015, Hungary became the first European country to sign a Belt and Road cooperation document with China. Currently, a flagship project, the construction of the Hungarian-Serbian Railway, connecting the Hungarian capital Budapest and the Serbian capital Belgrade, is progressing smoothly. Horvath said that he's very much looking forward to the completion of this project so that Hungarians can benefit from it.
对，我们也是很期待这个匈塞铁路的完成，希望早一点可以完成，这肯定会带给我们更多的一些福利。